Hey, this is Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make a ringtone for your iPhone using GarageBand. Now you need two applications to create the iPhone ringtone. But before I get to that in a second, if you're interested in Shopify but you don't want to pay $37 your first month, I can offer you $1 your first month if you use the link in my description. So you don't have to pay $37, you would only pay $1. So the apps are Ringtone Maker and GarageBand. So what you want to do is go to your App Store and you want to download them from the App Store. Next, what you need to do is open up TikTok and find the song you want to download. So if you click on the arrow at the bottom right, you're going to see a save video. So you want to tap on save video. And once the video is saved, we can proceed with the next steps. But some videos won't have this option to save a video. That means you cannot save it, unfortunately. And if you want any other songs from like a certain artist, just go buy their song or their copyright to have permission to use the song. Just go and buy the song. Then the following steps are the same. So you need to open the Ringtone Maker app. And once you have opened it, you want to click on the plus icon at the bottom and then on the import from video. Then you want to select. Then basically you just wanted to select that video or MP3 file format, both works, and then click on it and then click on this make icon. So you click on make, and it's important that you have downloaded GarageBand before this step. Then you want to click on more, scroll down until you see GarageBand and click on it. Now that it's open, you want to click on the song you just imported here. It's going to be the first one on the left side. Now here you can play around with it. Look, you can make it shorter from the end, from the start, you can cut in the middle, like you can do whatever you want. And once you are done, you want to click on the top left on this arrow and then tap on my songs. Now that that's done, on the top right, click select and then click on that thing you just saved. Then you want to tap on share at the bottom left and then click on ringtone. If the song is longer than 30 seconds, it will just automatically shorten it from end to those 30 seconds. So I want to click on continue. Now you can just give it any name you want. I'll give it the name Brooke. And once you have done that, click on the top right to click export. And that's it. Next, what you want to do is go to settings, sounds and haptics, and then click on ringtone. As you can see, the Brook is here. You would just tap on it and the Brook will be added as your ringtone. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe. If you're still having some issues, let me know what is the problem in the comments down below. And also, if you want Shopify, you don't have to pay $37 your first month. You can pay $1. So if you want that, click the link in the description.